So I went to Best Buy so I could play around with the brand new Google Pixel 7 Pro and the 7, mostly the 7 Pro. And as you can see right there on the back from left to right, right to left, you have that symmetrical bar, the camera bar, protecting those all-important cameras. And those cameras are huge. And that right there is an aluminum piece of slab, shiny aluminum slab. It is not a coating. You can actually feel the edge of the slab. Shiny phone, and for that reason, on mine, I'm gonna slap a skin on it. Now on the 7, you can see that the camera area there with that bar that goes all the way across left to right, right to left is a matte finish. Definitely not shiny, just a matte finish. Now I wish with one of the colors for the 7 and the 7 Pro would have had a matte finish on the back, maybe next year, but they're going to be shiny, so slapping a case on or a skin in a case, it's going to protect the back of the devices and give it a little extra some. That was the 6A. Over to the far right, and that right there is the front-facing camera, which is going to have face unlocked, and there is the power button above the volume rocker, and at the bottom we have the speaker and mic. The USB Type-C charging port is being used for security purposes. Next, we're going to check out some pictures that I took with the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and then I took pictures of those pictures with my S22 Ultra. So these pictures aren't going to be the best quality, but I want you to see what ultra wide looks like over at Best Buy. And here we have regular wide, and we're going to jump up to 5x zoom, 10x zoom, 15x zoom, and we're going to end it with 20x zoom. And that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Only a week away from a lot of you receiving your 7 and 7 Pro, and I know you're excited. I just wanted to give you a little something to go on, and I was curious, and that's why I did the hands-on. So let me know what you think about the pictures, even though I took those pictures with the 7 Pro, and then I took my S22 Ultra and took pictures of those pictures. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how excited you are, and if you didn't order any of those or have anything to do with Google, then why are you watching this video? Now, just playing. I'm glad you came on by. Appreciate your support. Anyway, they're going to be here soon, so I'm definitely excited to review the 7 Pro, get the reviewing process going, and share that with all of you. Have a great day. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. Peace. God bless.